Hey, welcome to my channel. My name's Tim Branyan, and let's dive right in. Have you thought of starting your own business, but maybe you just weren't sure where to start? In this video, I'm going to share some steps and some ideas that you can take to turn your business idea into a reality. Many people just stop at having a great idea, but not you. You're going to see it to fruition, and I'm here to give you some key suggestions and tips to help. Do not ever let your music die with you. I believe that everyone has a God-given song that should be shared with the world. Fear is nonsense. Triumph over it. Look yourself in the mirror and realize that you've already won the lottery. You're here for a reason, and beat the odds. I'm literally living proof that anyone can be successful in business. So first, it's important to validate your business or product or service idea. Find out how much interest there is in it. Ask yourself questions like, who needs it? How much are they currently paying for solutions? Who's providing the solution? What sucks about it that exists in the market now? And where can you make some improvements? One of the best questions I ask, typically when I'm validating my own app's ideas, is why will my product or service be the most logical choice for my customers? This helps me orient my mind to the most important aspect of building a winning product or service, which I believe is service or value to the customer. Your goal should be to have your customers enthusiastically tell the world about the experience they had with your service. So basically, you need to do some serious question asking and reconnaissance. This means conducting market research to see data and insights. You can do this by surveying potential buyers and analyzing your competitors and looking at Google Trends. Also, one thing I did to get some serious data and a basic structure for a business plan was to book a free appointment with my local SBA. I think their website is sba.gov. But ultimately, always remember Google is your friend and ask a question, and typically you'll find the answers. Next, create a vision plan. Some people call this a business plan. I think that's kind of stiff and doesn't really emphasize the main importance of a business plan, which is to get you dreaming, get you thinking and committed to some key targets. A business or vision plan is simply a document that outlines your business goals, target market, financial projections, and various marketing strategies. It's essential to have a clear and exciting plan in place to guide your business trajectories and attract investors. I strongly believe in the power of belief, and what gets planned gets executed. The next thing you'll likely need is some funding. This can come in a lot of different forms. It could be a small business loan, crowdfunding, personal savings, or you could rob a bank. Just kidding. Don't do that. That's probably not the best idea. It's a little too risky. But what you need to do is determine how much money you'll need to get your business off the ground and start exploring your available options. I've always bootstrapped all of my software projects and businesses, and you may not need as much money as you think if you're thinking of building an app or a digital service. Do me a favor and hit me and my team up if you're seeking quotes and designs for your tech project. Be sure to tell us that you watched this video. You can do that by going to timbranyan.com or just comment below that you're interested in building an app. Also, if you need help with funding, I've been fortunate to meet some incredible sources. Shoot me a comment or message below, and I'll gladly help connect the dots. I just ask that you're prepared to pitch your business and yourself. So moving on, the next thing to consider is to start building your team. Who do you need to build an amazing service or product? This could include hiring employees, outsourcing tasks to VAs or remote teams, or partnering with other businesses. Don't be afraid to reach out to other industry experts or seek advice from a mentor. Finally, it's crucial to start organizing and stay on top of your finances. I suggest using tools like Stripe, QuickBooks, or Google Sheets to keep track of all your expenses. And last but not least, please remember, starting a business takes a lot of time and patience, and this isn't a sprint. Always position your mind to fail forward. With hard work and focus and dedication, though, I'm sure you can and will turn your business idea into a reality. So thanks, that's all for today. I hope these tips have been helpful for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below or reach out to me and my team directly at timbranyan.com. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. This helps my channel grow and also helps me see if I'm on the right track with the content I'm making for you. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.